Your garage door is not the most vulnerable spot to your home. It's really your front door, and it's how thieves are quietly getting access to your dopamine-inducing Amazon packages. Now, we literally fix what is the heaviest door to your home, the garage door. But in this video, I want to show you the single smartest upgrade for your garage door system that only costs about $100 and solves your three biggest headaches: package theft, key anxiety, and that panic moment when you leave home. Let's party. Now tell me if you've heard this story. You spend time finding the best deals online, you click buy, and then you let your package sit on your front porch for 8 hours till you get home. You basically just left cash out for the thieves to take. Oh, and you have one of those doorbell cameras? Well, your fancy doorbell camera can show you the thief, but it can't stop them. It only records the theft. You need a vault. This is where the Chamberlain myQ system comes into play. It turns your garage into that vault. The delivery driver gets a one-time security access code. They drop your package inside your garage, hopefully past the safety sensors, and then closes the door. Your packages are now secured. The heaviest door to your home is now the most secure point of delivery. That's something that your grandpa's garage door couldn't do. Now, life doesn't stop when you leave home. Think about the last time you had to drop what you were doing because you had to let someone into your house. You either share a key with your neighbor or waste 30 minutes of your day driving home to help little Johnny get inside the house. It's a constant drain on your schedule. But with the myQ video wireless keypad, you get total remote control. You give Johnny his own access code, and you get notification with video footage he's made it through the garage safe. Or your neighbor needs to borrow a tool. You access the camera, you tap the app, you let them in, they leave, you tap it to close. In fact, you can grant temporary access with the code to anyone and revoke it later if necessary. Share codes or not, the control is on your terms. This is the benefit of a smart access platform. Okay, so I want to show you how this video wireless keypad works. This is a really cool feature, so I'm going to put in the code. Yep. That's operating my Chamberlain demo unit right there. And basically, if I want to close it, I just go ahead and hit that button one more time. And now it's closing the garage door. So the idea is that, again, you can utilize different codes for different family members. You can give them access. You get a video recording of them utilizing the garage door. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Now, this video wireless keypad does come in different variations. I have the one that kind of swivels, and you can take off this from the cartridge. There's your battery back up in there. You can basically just take the battery out from here. This is a really cool device. Now, here's the universal panic. You're halfway to your destination, or you're on vacation, and you get that tight feeling in your chest. Did I remember to close the garage door? An open garage door is literally an invitation for crime and leaves your entire home exposed, especially when you're on vacation. This is where the monitoring and alerts from myQ save the day. Your Chamberlain garage door opener, like the B6753T, can send you a notification if the door is open for too long. You can check the status in seconds. If it's open, you close it instantly from your phone, no matter where you are. That feeling of dread? Solved. This isn't just convenience. This is genuine peace of mind. As an expert who installs garage door systems every day, I can tell you this upgrade, the Chamberlain myQ, is not optional anymore. It's the most high-impact, low-cost way to get package security, remote access, and real-time monitoring in one system. Now, Chamberlain is sponsoring this video with all these great myQ products, which I recommend. But here's the best part. Right now, during Amazon Prime Big Deal Days, these myQ garage door openers and accessories are now lower than ever. This is your excuse to finally put an end to these real threats. More importantly, it's a really cool way to track who comes in and out of your garage. These deals are live now for a very limited time, so don't wait. I put links to grab the best myQ products in the description below. Of course, we'd love to hear about your favorite Chamberlain myQ accessory. And as always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.